Pressure regulation at the valve maximizes irrigation efficiency and saves water while extending the life of system components. In this video, we'll show you how to install and adjust the Accu Sync Pressure Regulator. The Accu Sync Pressure Regulator is an easy-to-install device that attaches to any Hunter valve to reduce the pressure of the entire zone. When the pressure is too high at a sprinkler, it loses efficiency, which can lead to misting, uneven watering patterns, and damaged landscapes. Pressure regulation can be accomplished at the sprinkler heads, at the valve, or throughout the entire system. It's the irrigation designer's job to decide whether to include any or all of these pressure regulation methods in a system. Accu Sync installation. In this example, we're going to install an adjustable Accu Sync on a spray zone. The first step is to shut off the water to the zone. With no water pressure at the valve, let's remove the solenoid. After the solenoid is removed, we'll screw the Accu Sync into the threaded opening where the solenoid was. Turn the Accu Sync slowly and carefully. Do not cross-thread when installing the device. Notice that the base of the unit turns independently of the adjustment mechanism. Once the Accu Sync is installed, you can screw the valve solenoid into the threaded opening on the Accu Sync. Now that it's screwed all the way down, the adjuster can move independently of the base to determine the best placement in the valve box. Adjusting the Accu Sync. After installing the Accu Sync, use the adjustment wheel to ensure the pressure regulator is set to 30 psi, 2 bar, 200 kPa, the intended pressure for this zone. Necessary pressure differential. When installing Accu Sync, the main water supply pressure must be 15 psi, 1 bar, 100 kPa greater than the downstream outgoing pressure. If you want 30 psi, 2 bar, 200 kPa downstream from the valve, you need at least 45 psi, 3.1 bar, 310 kPa of incoming pressure at the valve. If you want 45 psi, 3.1 bar, 310 kPa of outgoing pressure, you need 60 psi, 4.1 bar, 410 kPa. If the incoming pressure isn't sufficient, the valve may not function as intended, which could lead to sprinklers that don't pop up fully, uneven coverage, and damaged landscapes. If this happens, remove the Accu Sync, replace the solenoid, and run the valve in this configuration. If the zone still doesn't operate correctly, there could be another issue, possibly with the valve, or the amount of flow could be too high for the piping system. Be sure to also verify that there's no obstruction in the system that's limiting flow. Installing an Accu Sync pressure regulator at the valve is a simple way to optimize operating pressure within an irrigation zone. For total convenience, you can add it during initial installation, or easily retrofit any Hunter valve. Proper operating pressures can help a well-designed and properly maintained irrigation system save water and deliver long-lasting performance. To learn more about our complete line of industry-leading valves for residential and commercial applications, visit hunterindustries.com.